Mega Ford Weekend was an all-Ford drag race event held at Mission Raceway Park in British Columbia. 2009 was the first year we ran the Lenco ST1200 in the Tecmotion Coupe. I entered both the Quick Street Shootout and the True Street Enduro events with the car that year. True Street Enduro was an event that required you to make 5 no stopping, no assistance, hot lap drag passes, and the winner was the racer with the lowest aggregate time. In 2009, Muscle Mustangs and Fast Fords did a roundup of all the quickest street legal, naturally aspirated Mustangs in the US. And the 1026 aggregate that I ran over 5 hot laps in True Street Enduro was quicker than the quickest single pass in that roundup. Here's a look at a couple of 9-second passes from that event from inside the car, restored to 1080p for your viewing pleasure. I ended up winning both the Quick Street Shootout and the True Street Enduro events that year. Then I loaded the car on the trailer under its own power and took it back to Calgary for the winter. Hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, hit that notification bell so that you won't miss out on future videos.